In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer Solana from Phantom Wallet to Binance. It's simple and quick, so let's get started. First of all, open the Binance app on your phone. Then tap on the wallet or asset option at the bottom right corner. Next, tap on Add Funds. Now, tap on On-Chain Deposit. Then search for Sol and select Solana. Tap to copy your deposit address. Go back and open your Phantom wallet, then tap Send. Make sure the network is set to Solana. Now, paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier. Enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer and tap Next. That's it. Your Solana will be transferred from Phantom Wallet to Binance within a few minutes. Transfers to the Solana network are usually very fast. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.